Exercise 6.22. A person trying to lose weight. A person is a dietitian. Lift a 10 kg mass 1000 times to a height 0.5 meter each time. Assume that the potential energy lost each time she lowers the mass is dissipated. So here in lifting the 10 kg mass to a height 0.5 times, we can say each time the work done by the dietitian is stored in form of potential energy, and each time when she lowers the same mass which is 10 kg, the potential energy is lost. Okay, so here we can say in part A, we have to find how much work does she do against the gravitational force. So here in part A, it is given that mass is 10 kg, and here she lifts the mass 1000 times. So here we can say mass m is a 10 kg. Let n, which is the 1000 over here, and height to which mass is to be lifted is 0.5 meter. Okay, here we have to find the work done by her against the gravitational force. Okay, so work done by gravitational force, we can say W is equal to what, mgh in each time. Okay, she lifts the mass 1000 times, so it is n times mgh. N is 1000, m is 10. Okay, g, let it be 9.8, and height is what, zero point 0.5. So on solving you will get the answer 49,000 joule. Okay, in part B, fat supplies 3.8 into 10 raised to 7 joule of energy per kilogram, means 1 kg fat, okay, is supplies a 3.8 into 10 to 7 joule energy, which is converted into mechanical energy with 20% efficiency rate. Okay, so here we can say whatever energy gained by the dietitian per 1 kilogram, out of it mechanical energy, or you can say energy which is converted into mechanical energy, is only 20%. So here we can say in part B, we have to find how much fat will the dietitian use up. डाइटर को कितना फैट है वो कंज्यूम करना पड़ेगा. अब जो मैकेनिकल वर्क डन उसको करना पड़ रहा है वो 49,000 जूल है, और जो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो रही है, ठीक है, वो सिर्फ 20% है इस एनर्जी की पर केजी. ठीक है, सो हियर वी कैन से मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, ओके, supplied by 1 kg fat, supplied by 1 kg fat, as given over here is only a 20%, okay, of 3.8 into 10 to 7 joule. Okay, so here it is 20 by 100 of 3.8 into 10 to 7. So on solving you will get 76 into 10 to 5 joule. That is the mechanical energy supplied by 1 kg fat. So बच्चों यहाँ पे जो डाइटर को कितना, ये 1000 टाइम्स इतना वेट लिफ्ट करना है, उसके लिए कितना फैट कंज्यूम करना पड़ेगा वो पूछा है. तो उसको 1000 टाइम्स वेट लिफ्ट करने के लिए जो एनर्जी चाहिए थी वो कितनी थी, 49,000 जूल थी. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग बोल सकते कि 76 इंटू 10⁵ जूल जितनी मैकेनिकल एनर्जी 1 kg फैट से मिल रही है, तो 49,000 जूल एनर्जी हो वो कितने केजी फैट से मिलेगी. सो हियर वी कैन से fat consumed for fat which is to be consumed for 76 into 10 to 5 joule of energy is equal to 1 kg. So we can say fat consumed for 49,000 joule of energy is, let it be कैपिटल एम से डिनोट कर देते हैं इसको, कैपिटल एम. ओके. So using a cross logic, we can say it is a 49,000 into 1 divided by 76 into 10 to 5. So on solving, you will get the answer 6.45 into 10 to minus 3 kg. So this much amount of fat must be consumed by the weightlifter, okay, to lift the 10 kg mass 1000 times to a height 0.5